Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over how to add images in your EDM. So it's always good to add images to help grab attention, make your content more engaging and break up text so it's a little bit easier to read. So first up, I'll just go over actually how to add in an image. So we'll just go into content or go into rows and drag in your row. And then from there, when you go into content, you'll see image just in here. And we'll just drag in that image block in there. And then from there, we can go browse. And so you can choose like a file that you already have, or you can upload a new image as well. So we can go upload and then we can choose a new image file from there. Perfect. And then from there, we'll just go insert and then your image will pop up on there. And what you can also do is in your files, so I'll just go back into image and go browse again. What you can also do is you can change like the list view in here as well. And you can also just drag and drop images into there if you don't want it to go upload as well. You can also preview images. If you've got like a lot of images in your files, you can also go preview and just preview the image. It'll just come up in the tab, and you also search images in there as well. So yeah, that is how you add in images in your EDM. So yeah, using strong visuals like images can really elevate your emails and help communicate your message more effectively. So yeah, it's a good thing to add images into your EDM. So yeah, thank you guys.